Myself, Dr. Pravin Jagtap from Saswad district, Pune. Many patients today want spectacle independence for distance after cataract surgery, and EV Toric provides reliable astigmatism correction without the high cost associated with some imported expensive lenses. Another important factor is the predictable refractive outcomes and the wide toric power range, which allows us to correct astigmatism across different levels. This helps us offer a customized solution to more patients. Clinically, EV Toric has been effective in reducing corneal astigmatism and improving uncorrected distance visual acuity. The lens is designed to correct approximately 1 diopter to 6 diopter of astigmatism at the corneal plane, which covers a wide range of patients with regular astigmatism. Its aspheric optic with -0.15 micron mu spherical aberration also helps improve the contrast sensitivity, which is particularly useful for distance vision and low light conditions. In my practice, once the lens is properly aligned intraoperatively, it generally provides stable refractive outcomes with good distance vision and minimal residual astigmatism. I would recommend EV Toric. The main reasons include reliable rotational stability, effective astigmatism correction, user-friendly implantation system, good contrast sensitivity and visual quality, cost-effective premium solution. For surgeons looking to expand toric offering without significantly increasing patient cost, EV Toric is a very practical option. Overall, my experience with Aurolab EV Toric has been positive. Combines good optical performance, stable rotational behavior and affordability, which are all important for the achieving good patient outcomes and improving acceptance of premium IOLs.